Good morning, September 8th, 2020. Welcome to the Volume 1, Issue 7 of Electromagnetic Radiation News. Today I'd like to talk about how the telcos, the suppliers of the telecom products, none of them seem to be willing to discuss the health issues. They talk about a number of other issues, or a number of other reasons to promote their products, but they don't talk about the health issues. And I find that quite disturbing, that I look at Ericsson, that in my opinion no worse than the other telcos out there, but certainly as bad as the rest of them. And looking at their website, they talk about a number of things promoting their products, but nowhere do you see any mention of health or concern for the safety of the residents. Now we go down, take a look at their use of public infrastructure. Well, they apparently seem to feel it's quite acceptable, although they do mention gaining new revenues from site leasing. Well, yes, the municipalities could make money from site leasing, but I've asked several municipalities if they are collecting any money for site leasing, and apparently they're not. They're just providing this space to the companies to use for their own profit. Now, there's an inconsistency here where the companies have more rights on the right-of-ways than I do. If I have a car that I wish to sell, I put it on the road, parking it legally, put a for sale sign on it, and that's against bylaws. They'll come after me because I haven't got a business license. Well, why are the telcos allowed to use our public right-of-ways for profit and not return some of the profit to the people? And of even greater concern is that, well, these people will see, they know they're there, they know where the problems are, that when they start hiding them in the vaults, this becomes even a greater concern, because you'll be bathed in radiation, you just won't know where the radiation is coming from. And frankly, that's going to be a real concern, that you're not going to be able to take action to protect yourself because you have no idea where it is, and you won't, even the municipalities won't be telling you, and well, they should, because they're not the municipalities' right-of-ways. They are the public's right-of-ways, and we should be allowed to control them. That it's time that the right-of-ways were returned to the people, that the people benefited from the use, not just the telcos.